Many people tend to avoid castor oil due to its thick and sticky consistency and strong odor. However, if you're in search of an affordable and natural solution with remarkable benefits for your skin and hair issues, look no further than castor oil. Castor oil has been a time-honored remedy for various skin and hair problems. It was considered an elixir by older generations for achieving beautiful skin and healthy hair. The magic of castor oil lies in its rich, nutrient composition containing significant amounts of vitamin E, proteins, omega-6 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Furthermore, castor oil boasts excellent antibacterial properties. It serves as an effective solution for wrinkles, acne, and other skin problems. Similarly, it proves equally effective in addressing hair fall, premature graying, and scalp issues. Now let's discover the correct way to use castor oil for achieving a youthful-looking skin. Most cosmetic products tend to strip away the natural oils from your skin. Consequently, your body compensates for the lost oil by producing even more oil, leading to inflamed, cracked, or excessively oily skin, often accompanied by acne breakouts. The most effective and economical natural solution for this issue is castor oil, but there's a little trick to it. Due to its thick consistency, it's recommended to mix castor oil with a carrier oil before applying it to your face. Coconut oil, almond oil, and olive oil work well as carrier oils. Take 1 tablespoon of castor oil and mix it thoroughly with 1 tablespoon of your chosen carrier oil. Apply this mixture to your face and gently massage it in circular motions. You can leave it on overnight or wash it off after 30 minutes. Castor oil nourishes the skin and restores its natural moisture, resulting in a youthful, acne-free, and radiant complexion in no time. Now, let's explore the correct method of using castor oil for addressing hair fall and thinning hair. Grab a glass jar or steel bowl and combine 2 parts castor oil with 1 part carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil. If you'd like, you can add a few drops of essential oil to mask the scent. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Fill a large bowl with hot water and place your castor oil jar in it, ensuring no water enters the jar. Leave it in the hot water bath for 2 to 4 minutes. Transfer the warm oil into an empty applicator bottle for easy application. You may choose to dampen your hair before applying the oil if desired. To enhance the absorption of the oil into your hair, place a towel over your shoulders to protect your clothes from any oil drips. Utilize an applicator to apply the oil to different areas of your scalp. In case you don't have an applicator, you can dip your fingers in the oil and gently massage it onto your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage your scalp in small circular motions. Take your time and ensure that the entire scalp is evenly coated with the oil. Take the remaining oil and rub it gently between your palms before applying it to the length of your hair. Cover your head with a shower cap and keep a warm towel around it. Leave the towel on for a minimum of 30 minutes to 3 hours, or you can even keep it overnight if feasible. If your hair doesn't feel excessively oily or sticky, you can leave it as is. If you decide to wash your hair, opt for a mild shampoo or conditioner. Repeat this treatment once a week for optimal results. We are confident that you'll be so pleased with the results that you'll end up recommending this to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you next time.